Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Learn how to previously install Nvidia drivers or how to roll back Nvidia drivers. In order to install Nvidia drivers, right click on Start menu and go to Device Manager. Now once the Device Manager is open, go to Display Adapters and here you will find your Nvidia graphics card. You just need to right click and then go to Properties. Now once you are here, you need to go to the driver tab. You will find driver details, update driver and rollback driver. If it is giving you option of rollback, you can do that. Let's say if it's grayed out just like me, then what you can do is you can click on update driver and then click on browse my computer power drivers. And here click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And once you do that, here you will find the previously installed drivers. So since I am using Intel graphics, so I see Intel HD graphics 615. But in your case, if you are using Nvidia graphics, you will find previously installed drivers here, so you can install that. And there one more way to roll back the driver. If you are unable to do so, then just click on this small arrow and then just right click on the latest drivers and here click on properties. Again click on driver and here go to the driver details and see the driver date and go to the website of Nvidia and install the previous version of driver date. I hope this short tutorial has helped you. Thanks for your time.